Here is how to recover a Badoo account. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can recover a Badoo account. So let's start. First of all, there are a couple of reasons why you might have to recover your Badoo account. The first reason is that you deleted your Badoo account. However, after a few days, you want to get it back. In that case, when you delete a Badoo account, you'll get a reactivation link in your Gmail that will expire after 30 days. So before 30 days of deleting your account, you can click on that link and reactivate your account. The other reason why you might have to recover your account is that your account has been blocked or there has been some issue in your account. In that case, you'll have to contact the Badoo support team. For that, go to any browser of your choice. Then after, tap on the search bar and then type Badoo support. You'll get the link to contact Badoo. Open it. After that, you will be taken to the contact us section. After that, tap on get help. Now since you have to recover your Badoo account, tap on ask a question about my profile. Then after, enter your email address, name and your message which will state that your account has been blocked inappropriately and you want to recover your account. Furthermore, you can also attach a screenshot of your issue. Then after, tap on send. After you make the request to recover your account, the Badoo team will look at your request and then decide whether to unblock your accounts or make them recoverable. So in this way, you can recover your Badoo account. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.